Alright, we're gonna break down some of the breakdown temperature throughout winter from February 1st, 2026. I'm your host, Tyler the Gamer. We'll be going through all this weather progress as we go through every single, like from Pittsburgh all the way to Cleveland, Detroit, Lansing, Buffalo, Toronto, and Watertown. Now, as we play, so see, we got scatter a whole area of patterns. And we can see only the United States gets a little bit of snow. And if we go to the radar and wind gusts, we will likely see any of these weather really down 7, 8, 10, 16, 20 degrees. And in Buffalo, we're supposed to get it down to 20 degrees, negative 20 degrees in Erie, PA, hosting around your area. And if we go to the same one with only wind, we'll likely get the same thing. Now we've changed up a little bit, like the temperature and stuff. We go radar. We go radar. Now if you go radar, we can see patterns a little bit here. It's only scattered throughout Vermont, which is in the Sargasso Sea, and by New York City, Boston, and Washington. Halifax, so we'll likely see right there, somewhere around this between Washington and Halifax. And then, oops, we can see something a little purplish colors when you zoom in right here in the ocean. Now, if we take a look at right here, we'll get like yellow and green patterns here around north of an Atlantic Ocean. If we come back here, now we check out our forecasts and AccuWeather. We'll likely predict any weather patterns if we play ahead. Now we'll likely get um, some rain or no snow ice mixed together. Some parts around in Ottawa, New York, partially right here, and we go ahead and we'll get some little bit on Houston and some of it around somewhere in this country. Not sure what this is. We play ahead. We get more in Canada, all the way to a little bit of Parenthole Bay. And then if we play the last minute, Chicago will get severe weather. Toronto, Ottawa, and Chicago will get severely impacted ice storm, snowstorm on Thursday at 7 p.m. Current conditions are expecting like the real feel. So we take a look at the real feel. We will likely see the temperature rates are around 17, 18, 14 degrees, negative 14, 18, 17 degrees, 18, somewhere out there. And then, yeah, it's just in negative 20, 24, 22, 16, 15, And then right here, you know, Callback City, we'll get like negative. We'll get like zero. I just saw, yeah, 0 degrees right around here in Ottawa between that and North Bay. And we go to past 1 hours. We'll get like, this is the what you're going about to see past 24-hour precipitation and satellite that would tell you what exactly is going on. We will likely see some clouds somewhere around Vermont, Sargasso Sea, so between Washington, New York City, and Boston and Halifax. And if we don't want to zoom out right now. Um, we would likely see like oceans here, somewhere around Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Lima, and Buffalo, Brazil. I'm not gonna name all this country, but if we keep going further, we'll likely see a cloud form somewhere around this area. And then the last part, it will get even worse. This part somewhere around in Angola, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and Madagascar will likely get a predictable storm, winter storm, so be sure to be aware of. That's all I have to say, guys. I'm playing Fortnite because, Fortnite's not a good game. I think it's just better if I just do this and other stuff, but I'll likely see you in the next video.